Most of us hold on to far more than we actually use. When a home is cluttered or disorganized, it creates frustration, stress, and a constant sense of overwhelm. I was at a senior leadership position, but there was something missing, something that was not making me happy. The moment I came to know about this concept of decluttering and organizing, it changed my perspective altogether. I can do a business where I'm giving transformation to people. More than a service, I'm bringing some change in their life. That was the day I decided, I'm going to do this. My name is Rachna Kacker, founder of Messmerize India, creating soulful spaces for cultivating inner peace. My journey started as a client of the KonMari Method before it became my profession. As I decluttered my physical space, I found myself gaining more clarity, focus, and direction in life. That's when I realized this wasn't just about tidying up spaces. It was about creating transformation from inside out. I come into your home and together we go through everything you own, your wardrobe, your kitchen, your living spaces. But before I begin, I greet the home, hands joined and intentions set, so that every item in this space is ready to be heard. Help you decide what stays and what goes, not by telling you what to do, but by asking the right questions. The decisions are always yours. Once that's done, everything gets a proper place, a system that works for your life. A soulful home is the one that gives you a sense of peace. The moment you walk in, it's a space where things are in order, where life flows more easily and where you enjoy spending time. Today, Messmerize India doesn't just work with homes that need decluttering. We also work with people setting up brand new homes, building the right systems from day one so that every space works for the family living in it. 5 years from now, I don't just see Messmerize India as a company. I see it as a movement. I see hundreds, maybe thousands of women building successful business in this industry. My vision is for organizing to be recognized not as a luxury service, but as an essential life skill. If you are sitting in a cluttered home or office right now, change doesn't happen overnight, and that's perfectly okay. Start small, stay consistent, trust the process. The transformation will follow.